What is that? Here, babies. Puppies. Say, look at that. What is that? Hey. Say, hey. How about this? Huh? How about that? You like those feathers? Huh? You like those feathers? Yeah, look at that. Oh, black blue collar. Oh yeah, those feathers are good. Yep. Say, hey. Where'd you go, bud? You're behind me. Hey. Look at here. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Say, oh, yes. Say, hey. Say, hey. Say, hey. Say, hey. Say, hey. What is that? There's the two boys, Max. This is their first bird exposure. Frozen chucker. Yeah. Hey. Say, hey. Hey. Say, hey. Blue collar. Oh, yes. Say, hey. Now they're all going to crawl up on my lap. Yep. This is a good, almost 5 weeks old. Yeah. That. Yeah, you like that? Huh? You like that? Yeah, you like that? Huh? You like that? Hey, you little alligator chompers you got.